Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. And if you're returning, a bigger thank you to you. Today's video, we're going to be making one of my favorite hairspray. This spray can be used daily, could be used every other day. It's just up to you. The things that we're going to need are coffee, cinnamon, and cloves. Everything that I'm using for the sake of today's video is going to be in powder form. So as usual, the measurements for everything we're going to use will be in the description box. So we already know the benefits of cinnamon, we know the benefits of coffee, we know the benefits of cloves, because this is not the first time that we're using them on this channel. But for the sake of the new ones, we're just going to briefly talk about the benefits of coffee. So coffee actually helps boost hair growth. It helps with the texture of your hair. It helps with your scalp health. It serves as a sun protector, and it also helps exfoliate the scalp. So a lot of people don't know that coffee can be used as a daily spray and can also be used in your shampoo. And now we talk about the benefits of the cinnamon. Now, when you mix coffee and cinnamon together, guys, the smell is wonderful. But that's beside the point. Cinnamon helps with hair growth as well. It helps fight dandruff for those that struggle with dandruff. This is something that you should be using. You could also add it to your shampoo, and it'll help fight off lice as well as dandruff. Then we already know cloves. Cloves is the baba of natural hair. Like anything that you're doing, you should definitely add cloves to it. So now, after mixing everything together, I went ahead and added 8 ounces of water. I will also go ahead and add an extra measurement of coffee because I noticed that the amount that I initially used was way too small. But this part is optional. After mixing everything together, I am going to let mine infuse for a period of 3 days. You could let yours sit for as long as you want, 3 days, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, however long you want. But it is very important that you add some essential oil. You could add the essential oil now while it's infusing, or you could add it afterwards. But I decided to add mine now just in case it had a smell to it. This is what it looked like after 3 days. Guys, the smell of the cinnamon and the coffee was so powerful that I couldn't even smell the oils that I initially added to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and strain using my cheesecloth. You can also strain using a brand new wig cap, whatever works for you. But you could get this cheesecloth on Amazon. I am now going to pour it into my spray bottle just for you guys to keep in mind. You should definitely store this in the fridge. If it's around winter time, you could put it, I guess, in a cool place, but I would advise that you store it in the fridge. I am now going to finally add my peppermint spray. This part is totally optional. I do love the feel of the peppermint oil on my scalp, so I'm just going to go ahead and add about 3 pumps because peppermint spray oil soothes my scalp and it relieves like any itchiness that I have. So you could add rosemary oil, tea tree oil, whatever oil it is that you would like to add to this spray, you go ahead and add it. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.